Hello, health-conscious viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive deep into the topic of lemon water and its incredible health benefits. It's a simple yet potent concoction that can work wonders for your well-being. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore the top 7 amazing health benefits of incorporating lemon water into your daily routine. 1. Nutritional Powerhouse. Let's start by discussing the nutritional punch that lemon water delivers. Lemons are a fantastic source of vitamin C, a vital nutrient for a robust immune system. A squeeze of lemon juice in your water can provide a substantial portion of your daily vitamin C requirements, helping you stay healthy and ward off illnesses. Not only that, but lemons also contain other essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B complex, potassium, and citric acid. These nutrients play crucial roles in maintaining overall health and vitality. 2. Hydration. Staying adequately hydrated is crucial for overall health, but many people struggle to drink enough plain water. Lemon water can make this task more enjoyable. The hint of citrus flavor encourages you to drink more, ensuring you meet your daily water intake goals, which is essential for optimal bodily functions. Proper hydration helps maintain healthy skin, supports digestion, regulates body temperature, and even aids in the transportation of nutrients throughout the body. With lemon water, you can achieve these benefits while also enjoying a refreshing and flavorful drink. 3. Weight management. Are you looking to manage your weight? Lemon water can be a valuable ally in your weight loss journey. The pectin fiber found in lemons can help curb your appetite, making you feel fuller for longer. This can be particularly beneficial when consumed before meals, as it may help you consume fewer calories overall. Furthermore, lemon water provides a metabolism boost. The combination of warm water and lemon can stimulate your metabolism, encouraging your body to burn calories more efficiently. As a result, you may find it easier to shed those extra pounds when you make lemon water a part of your daily routine. 4. Digestive health. Lemon water has long been associated with improved digestive health. The citric acid in lemons can stimulate the production of digestive juices, aiding in the breakdown of food. This can help prevent indigestion, bloating, and the discomfort associated with heavy meals. Additionally, lemon water promotes regular bowel movements, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Proper digestion ensures that your body can absorb nutrients effectively and reduces the risk of digestive disorders. 5. Detoxification. Many people turn to lemon water as a natural detoxifier. The citric acid in lemons assists the liver in flushing out toxins from the body. Moreover, lemon water helps promote the production of bile, which plays a key role in digesting fats and removing waste from the body. Detoxification is essential for maintaining overall health. By supporting your body's natural detox processes with lemon water, you can help eliminate harmful substances that can build up and potentially lead to health problems. 6. Skin health. Achieving clear and radiant skin is a common goal, and lemon water can help you get there. The antioxidants in lemons combat free radicals, reducing skin damage and signs of aging. Additionally, the vitamin C in lemon water can promote collagen production, which contributes to healthier and more youthful-looking skin. Moreover, the hydrating properties of lemon water play a significant role in skin health. Proper hydration helps keep your skin moisturized, reducing the risk of dryness, flakiness, and irritation. Say goodbye to dull and dehydrated skin with a daily glass of lemon water. 7. Alkalizing properties. Despite their acidic taste, lemons have an alkalizing effect on the body. Maintaining a balanced pH level is important as it reduces the risk of chronic diseases that thrive in an acidic environment. Lemon water can help promote this balance, contributing to your overall health. An overly acidic environment in the body can lead to various health issues, including inflammation, joint pain, and even certain chronic diseases. By incorporating lemon water into your daily routine, you can create a more alkaline environment, potentially reducing the risk of these health problems. There you have it, folks, the top 7 incredible health benefits of incorporating lemon water into your daily routine. From supporting your immune system to aiding in weight management, improving digestion to detoxifying your body, lemon water is a simple yet powerful addition to your health regimen. If you found this video informative and helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. As always, consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and hydrated.